Na na na, meditate and elevate your mind. River flow from holy ground. Zion water heal profound. Wash away the hurt and pain. Make the soul feel whole again. Every drop a song of peace. Every wave make hate decrease. Come ye thirsty, drink and live. River of Zion always give from spring to stream to mighty sea. River of Zion set we free. River of Zion Bada bim, bada boom. OG cushion a me lung, yeah man. Rise up, children of Jah. Money light, break the law. Babylon, wall can't stand. Zion lion, guard the land. Hear the roar, inna the drum. Rasta know the king of the come. Strength of root, fire of flame. Every heart chant your name. Me see the banner rise so tall. One roar for freedom for all. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people across land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forever strong, forever true. Lion of Zion, carry you. Ancient word in a modern time. Truth still shine, mountain climb. Youth man, hold the torch so high. Zion lion, never die. Every roar, a holy song. Carry the weak, make them strong. One love, banner wave so tall. Just salvation for all. From desert sand to ocean shore. Zion lion, roar once more. Roar, roar, hear the thunder call. Lion of Zion, protect we all. True stand firm like solid stone. Never leave Jah throne. Echo loud in the earth and sky. Lion of Zion, never die. Lion of Zion, strong and free. Guide the people across land and sea. Stand firm, no fear, no chain. Lion roar, wash out the pain. Forevermore, the lion lead. Plant of love, righteous seed. Lion of Zion, stand so tall. One roar of love for all. Ay, 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 ay. Jamaica cushion a the paper, yeah man. Roots dig deep in sacred ground. Every heartbeat, reggae sound. Freedom grow like ancient tree. Branches stretch to set we free. Babylon storm can't break the root. Zion strong with holy fruit. Every leaf a word of Jah. Every branch a guiding star. From seed to root, from root to sky. Freedom tree will never die. Roots of freedom grow so high. Touch the earth, reach the sky. Never cut, never bend. Roots of freedom got no end. Deep in soul, forever strong. Roots of freedom carry on. Ay, 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 ay. Children gather round the fire. Sing the chant, lift it higher. Every tongue a sacred song. Keep the righteous moving on. Freedom root in style of love. Blessing rain from sky above. Hold it firm, no let it go. Roots of freedom ever grow. Generation to generation. Roots of freedom freedom foundation. Roots so strong, deeper still. Freedom grow by Jah will. No chain, no sword, no hand can move Jah root from the land. Everlasting, never fall. Freedom root belong to all. Roots of freedom grow so high, touch the earth, reach the sky. Never cut, never bend. Roots of freedom got no end. Forever stand in rain or sun. Roots of freedom, Zion one. Deep and wide, both far and near. Roots of freedom conquer fear. Jamaica kick a gay fire man. Jamaica crushing at the paper, yeah man. Jamaica crushing at the paper, yeah man. Jamaica crushing at the paper, yeah man. Ay, 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 ganja leave ya man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. Narrow road but shining clear. Path of Zion draw me near. No wicked walk, no liar tread. Only righteous soul is led. It wind through valley, climb the hill. Path of Jah is holy still. Every step I chant a prayer. Path of Zion, take me there. Path of Zion, straight and true. Guide me spirit, guide me through. No more wandering, no more wrong. Path of Jah, keep I strong. It glow at night, it shine at dawn. Path of Zion, never gone. It lead the youth, it lead the old. Path more precious than fine gold. It break the chain, it heal the heart. Path of Jah, a holy start. Forever shining, never lost. Path of Zion, fear no cost. Me walk alone, me walk with friend. Path of Zion, never end. It bless the humble, bless the meek. Path of truth, all people seek. It call the soul, it call the name. Path of Jah, forever same. Every step, a holy song. Path of Zion, keep me strong. It rise above the dust and fire. Path of Zion, lift me higher. It guard the children, guard the land. Path made true by Jah hand. It shine with hope, it shine with peace. Path of love will never cease. Forever bright, forever sure. Path of Jah, forever pure. When the trumpet sound again, path of Zion still remain. It lead the faithful, lead the kind. Path of Jah, eternal mind. From earth to sky, from night to morn. Path of Zion, ever born. Eternal road, eternal flame. Path of Jah, forever same. Step light, step strong. Path of Zion, lead along. No hate, no war can change the way. Path of Jah, forever stay. Path of Zion, straight and true. Guide me spirit, guide me through. No more wandering, no more wrong. Path of Jah, keep I strong. From first step to endless day. Path of Zion, light the way. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Flowing pure from holy ground. River of Zion, sweet sound. Cool the thirsty, heal the weak. River bless the soul we seek. It wash away the stain of wrong. Carry truth and carry song. From mountain top it find the way. River flow both night and day. River of Zion flowing free. Wash the people, set them free. No dry season, no divide. River of Jah, eternal tide. Tree, it feed the land. River guided by Jah hand. Every stream a holy song. Every wave the righteous strong. It heal the wounded, bless the poor. River open every door. From source to sea it never cease. River of Zion carry peace. River flow from Jah Lord. No poison there, no bitter taste. River flow with love and grace. It guide the children, guide the youth. River shining with the truth. No drought can stop, no chain can bind. River bless both heart and mind. It shine like silver in the night. River glow with holy light. Call the people, call them home. River say, no more to roam. It bless the elder, bless the meek. River truth is what we seek. Forever strong, forever near. River of Zion flowing clear. Wash away the pain. It rise eternal, never dry. River flow beneath the sky. From Zion peak to ocean wide. River carry holy guide. Love eternal, peace divine. River of Jah forever shine. Flow high, flow deep. River of Zion blessings keep. No dam, no wall can stop the wave. River of Jah forever safe. River of Zion flowing free. Wash the people, set them free. No dry season, no divide. River of Jah, eternal tide. From mountain spring to ocean shore. River of Zion flow evermore. sacred sound. Temple bless the holy ground. Temple of Zion shining bright. House of peace and house of light. Every spirit, every soul. Temple make the broken whole. Zion standing pure. It echoes sound of Nyabingi. Temple call for unity. It lift the soul, it lift the hand. Temple bless the holy land. Shining, never dim. Temple sing Jah holy hymn. When the trumpet call at last, temple stand from future past. It welcome righteous, welcome true. Temple always calling you. No wicked plan can break the wall. Temple of Jah stand for all. Love eternal, truth inside. Temple of Zion never hide. Step in, kneel low. Temple of Zion blessings flow. No chain, no hate can close the gate. Temple of Jah forever great. Temple of Zion shining bright. House of peace and house of light. Every spirit, every soul. Temple make the broken whole. From first stone to endless day. Temple of Zion always stay. This are the chant for the people. Same blood, same sky equal. No matter color, no matter creed. Love are the only seed we need. From ghetto yard to mountainside. Jaja love we not hide. Me lift me voice for all to hear. Unity come, draw near. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Love I wear the royal crown. Me chant for the farmer in the field. Pray Jah bless the crop and yield. Me chant for the youth them in the street. Pray Jah guide them every beat. Every voice come join along. Fill the ear with righteous song. Chant for the people far and near. Jah blessings always here. Even when the war drum chant for peace to rule the day. Me chant for the healing of the land, planting love with every hand, every nation, every tongue. Sing the chant from old to young. Me see the vision clear and bright. Chant for the people through the night. Me chant when the rain come down. Me chant when the sky turn brown. Me chant in the good and bad. Me chant with the joyful and the sad. No matter season, no matter time. Me chant in rhythm and in rhyme. When the sun sets in our west, me chant till me soul find rest. Me chant for the prisoner behind the gate. Pray for Jah mercy before too late. Me chant for the elder wise and kind. Me chant for the lost, we help them find. Me chant for the mother with newborn child. Me chant for the wilderness running wild. Every word a arrow through, piercing lies with Jah light too. Chant high, chant low, like river it must flow. Carry hope, carry peace, till all the suffering cease. From sunrise till setting sun, chant for the people one by one. When the drum beat call me name, chant for the people just the same. Chant for the people day and night, guide them through the holy light. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Love wear the royal crown. From valley low to mountain steep, Jah love we always keep. Zion reggae, yeah man. Me wake with sun, me rise up clean. Wash me face in stream so serene. Me kitchen small but me pot them full. Roots and greens make me belly cool. No flesh, no poison pan me plate. Me live ital, me elevate. Me pick from garden, me give thanks for earth. Me nah forget when me food find birth. Ital is vital, Jah way fit trot. Feed the temple, connect with God. No chemicals, no process lie. Me cook with love and watch soul fly. Me nah need fast food to feel alright. Me sip herbs under moonlight. Ital live it in me daily chant. Clean heart, clean mind, clean plant. Me remember the days in a city trap. Fast food make me spirit snap. Me feel heavy, me feel slow. Me body cry for the truth to grow. Till one day, me granny say, child, come taste what Ital say. She boiled some roots, she steamed some yam. She showed me how to live like Abraham. Ital is vital, Jah way fit trot. Feed the temple, connect with God. No chemicals, no process lie. Me cook with love and watch soul fly. Me nah need fast food to feel alright. Me sip herbs under moonlight. Ital live it in me daily chant. Clean heart, clean mind, clean plant. Me live it in a just about the meal. It deeper still, it's how me feel. Me bless me food before me eat. Give praise for nature so complete. Ital me nah live blind. Me take care of me heart and mind. Me cut the fake, me cut the sin. Me clean from outside and within. Ital fire blaze in a me soul. Me reason deep, me play me role. Me cook with brethren in the hills. Laughter mixed with ancient skills. No microwave, no soda fizz. Just roots booze, wine and natural bliss. Me chant round pot like sacred right. Me taste the truth in every bite. Me bun Babylon, fast food chain. They profit while the people in chains. Me build me own with me 2 hand. Grow tomato, callaloo and yam. Me share with neighbor, me nah hoard. Me planting soil, me reap reward. This is the life me was meant to live. Ital wage a guidance give. Ital is vital. Ay, ay, ay. Reggae of Zion, Kenya man. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light pon the inside. Me chant psalms from me heart core. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life align. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day. Me pass city and small alley. Some try test I, throw me shade, but Jah give I strength, me never afraid. Me humble like lion, who know him power. Me rise like sun, hour by hour. Me reason with trees, me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life, but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop a rain teach I something, fi ease the pain. Me nah compete, me nah chase clock. Time nah real pan, Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day. Me meet elders pon me trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all day, pan sacred ride. Some slow, some quick, some try hide. But truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace. Lion reggae, yeah man. Lion reggae, yeah man. Me wake me for the morning rise. Send me prayer up to the skies. Me thank Jah for the gift of life. Shield me from the Babylon strife. Me kneel on earth, me touch the ground. Feel Jah power all around. Rootsman prayer, strong and pure. Jah Jah love forever sure. Rootsman prayer, inna the dawn. Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word I seed me sow. Inna Jah garden make it grow. Me pray for youth, me pray for poor. Me pray Babylon fight no more. Me pray for rivers, pray for tree. Pray the people live in peace. Every chant me send above. Wrap the world in Jah Jah love. Rootsman voice, humble tone. Still can shake the wicked throne. When the sun gets high, me still meditate on Jah will. Every breath a holy word. Every sound the heavens heard. From the mountains to the street, Rootsman prayer never cease. Day and night me call Jah name. Righteous flame remain the same. Me pray for the mother, pray for the child. Pray them heart remain undefiled. Pray for the soldier, drop the gun. Pray the healing soon begun. Me pray for the elder, strong and wise. Guide the youth with open eyes. Rootsman prayer like river flow. Carry love wherever it go. Prayer rise, blessing fall. Jah hear the cry of all. Lift we up from Babylon dust. Guide we in Jah righteous trust. Rootsman chant we set we free. Open eyes for truth we see. Evening come, me still give thanks for the food and for the ranks. Every blessing, big or small, Jah deserve them one and all. When the stars light up the sky, Rootsman prayer still flying high. Till the morning break again, me call Jah holy name. Rootsman prayer inna the dawn. Jah keep the righteous strong. Every word I seed me sow. Inna Jah garden make it grow. From sunrise till the night is near, Rootsman prayer still ringing clear. Zion reggae. Upon the throne of righteous King, Zion power everlasting, not of gold nor silver bright, but of love and holy light. It ruled the meek, it ruled the true, throne of Jah for me and you. Every word a holy call, throne of Zion reign for all. Throne of Zion, seat of peace, rule of love will never cease. Every nation, every tongue bow before the righteous one. It stands so high, it stands so strong, throne of Jah where right belong. No tyrant hand, no wicked reign, only truth and love remain. It guide the people, guard the land, throne established by Jah hand. Forever justice, never wrong, throne of Zion ever strong. Me see the elders gathered near, sing the song for all to hear. Throne surrounded by pure flame, glorify the holy name. It bless the children, bless the poor, throne of Zion open door. No Babylon can overthrow, throne of Jah forever show. It shine like diamond, glow like sun, throne of Zion rule is one. Every crown and scepter fade, but Jah throne forever made. It guide the humble, guide the meek, throne of truth all man seek. Righteous seat for all mankind, throne of Jah eternal mind. When the final trumpet play, throne of Zion still will stay. It judge the earth, it rule with care, justice always standing there. No power greater, no name higher, throne of Jah eternal fire. Seat of mercy, seat of song, throne of Zion ever strong. Stand tall, bow down, throne of Zion where no crown, only light and only love. Throne established high above, throne of Zion, seat of peace, rule of love will never cease. Every nation, every tongue bow before the righteous one. From dawn of time till end of day, throne of Zion always stay. Na 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 na. Kaya, ang music yaman. Inna the heart of the concrete land, me wake to arms and Babylon's hand. But me light me spliff, me give me praise, me chant for guidance through city maze. Me wear me dread like crown on head, me trod through street where hope seemed dead. But me nah fear no evil vibe, me bring Jah light where shadows hide. Me see them run, them chase the pair, them lose them soul along the way. But me stay firm, me stand me ground, me reggae beat still shake the town. Hell, green smoke rising high in the sky, Jah know me spirit, Jah hear me cry. From rooftop height, is subway line, me chant for love, me chant for sign. Jah sitting no silent, but I find peace. In the rhythm, me trouble cease. With ganja fire and roots in chest, me meditate, me find me rest. Me reach me corner, me safe zone. Me sit on rooftop all alone. Me roll it clean, me roll it tight. One spark and me soul ignite. Me close me eyes, me feel the beat. Me levitate above the street. Me nah need plane, me nah need car. Me fly with rhythm to Zion star. Me think about life, me think about now. Our system try to make man bow, but me resist in gentle way. Me live ital, me smoke and pray. Green smoke rising high in the sky, while sirens wail and pigeons fly. Me hold me peace inside me lungs. Me sing me songs in ancient tongues. No preacher tell I what fi feel. Me herb a temple, me truth are real. Me not escape, me face me scene, but still me rise in smoke so green. Inna the chaos, me still hear drum. Me heart a bassline, me soul a strum. Me walk with staff through Market Street. Me greet them youth, me drop them beat. Them ask Rasta, how you cope? Me say me all faith, me burn me hope. Me herb is key, me chant is gate. Me vibe strong, me love no hate. The food me cook, it pure and true. Me drink me roots, me sip me brew. Me tell the youth, love yourself first. Babylon train you, fi feel cursed. When the moon rise over tower light, me feel Jah presence hold me tight. No need for mansion, me have stars. Me roll one more beneath the cars. Each puff a prayer, each draw a song. Me hold this liberty firm and strong. Me nah compete, me nah pretend. Me know Jah walk with I till end. So if you lost in steel and stone, just light one up and trod alone. Listen for rhythm and traffic beat. Let the fire guide your feet. Zion echoes in the smoke we send. Truth arise and pain amend. Me sip tea prayer, me herbal limb. Me journey start from deep within. Meditation deep in the jungle, yeah man. Early morning light creep through me window. Birds are sing sweet hymns in the meadow. Me stretch me arms to the rising sun. Another day fi chant, another day begun. Me plant me foot on sacred earth. Me know Jah love from even birth. Me give thanks for the breeze and tree. Me give thanks for the life in me. Me light me chalice, me sip me tea. Me mind clear like Caribbean Sea. Me no run down hype nor goal. Me no more war. Just sound systems under star. Elders tell story, youths them learn. Fire burn bright, but now fi burn. Me vision clear, a village wall, where man and woman live in soul. Me hear Naya Bingi in a breeze. Me see just smile between the trees. Me share me fruit, me share me bread. Me bless the table where all get fed. Me no judge man by rank or race. Me only look upon art and grace. So me chant, rise up, oh children true. The world await the light in you. Smoke your herb, but open your mind. Look inside, your heart will find. One love still lives. Now me close me eye, me see the flame, it never die, it just change name. Sometimes Bob, sometimes Jah, sometimes me brethren from far, but always love, deep and wide, it guide me steps, it walk beside. So if you're lost or full of fight, play this tune in the night and feel it rise from soul to sky, cause one love still lives, it never die.
Na 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 Zion Reggae. The valley where the green hills meet, flow a river pure and sweet. From Zion mountain it come down, blessing every village, every town. Water clear like crystal light, wash away the dark of night. Every drop a holy sign. River of Zion forever shine. River of Zion flow on free. Your love from sea to sea. Every soul can drink and live. All the healing it can give. Me walk along the river bend, feel your spirit like a friend. It tell me tales of days gone by, of prophets' prayer and battle cry. Me see the children laugh and play, splashing the blessing every day. From root to branch, from leaf to vine, I'll give thanks for Zion's sign. When drought come try fi crack the land, river still strong by Ja'an. Even when the sun ablaze, water keep the fire in praise. Babylon dam can't block the flow. Zion river always know it find a way through rock and sand. Spread your love across the land. Me fill me cup and take a sip. Feel your blessing on me lip. It cool me mind, it calm me soul. Pure and old, river whisper, child don't fear. Jaja kingdom drawing near. Every tide a sacred beat, like Naya Bingi, drum so sweet. Sun, river of Zion, still a run. It carries song from shore to shore, calling people to love once more. Me see the elder staff
yeah man. Bassline hit like heartbeat in a womb. Drum roll rise and clear the gloom. Me tune in deep to the cosmic wave. Reggae sound, soul we save. Each note a prayer, each chord a flame. Burn illusion, call your name. Roots vibration in a eye bones. Me feel it deeper than sticks and stones. Roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need for talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to your love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeat all along. Drop the vinyl clean. Me close my eyes, me start fi dream. Me see people come together true. Different skin but one blood through. Babylon try divide with fear, but roots music bring I near. Me chant with elders, chant with youth. The rhythm reveal universal truth. Me nah need take or flashy screen. Just a speaker and a tambourine. Me feel the bass line deep in chest. Remind I say I truly blessed. Me nah rush, me nah chase fame. Me just want people feel the same. In a dance hall or under tree. Me soul tuned to the frequency. Roots frequency, guide me soul. In a rhythm I lose control. No need for talk, just let it play. One drop teach I more each day. Sound system lift I high above. Bring me closer to your love. Roots frequency, feel it strong. This are the heartbeat all along. All along. All along. Late night session, moonlight beam. Me skanking time to dubwise dream. Engineer mix it with holy hand. From Zion straight to every land. No border can stop this wave. No chain strong, no fit make I slave. Music a weapon, music a bomb. Cool me soul, keep I calm. So turn it up, let it roll. Rhythm speak to the deepest soul. From trench town yard to African shore. Roots frequency, open door. Join the echo, join the drum. Hear the message, salvation come. So listen keen and feel it true. This reggae built for I and you. soul a burn. Me dep on fire, now it's your turn. Drum and bass beat like heart in a chest. Every rhythm drop, bring out your best. Me now flex like star, me flex like truth. Me there for the elder, me there for youth. Give me one rhythm and me ride it clean. Me chant so heavy like steam from green. No gun talk, no Babylon slang. Me lyrics are heal like Naya Bingy Bang. Me chant in a corner with me herb so proud. Me meditate, even in a the crowd. Select a wheel up, bassline drop. Me feel it in a spine when the snare go pop. Light it up, feed the people in a struggle. Light it up, let the Babylon juggle. We smoke, we dance, we elevate. Rootsman vibes, we celebrate. Light it up, all tribes unite. In a dance hall, we shine so bright. From trench town to the mountain top, we burn bad mind and we nah go stop. Me see dreadlocks, gal a wine with grace. She move to the rhythm like she know the place. Me hail her up with respect and joy. Me say one love, no time for toy. Me see big man, small man, all man in a line. All blaze up chalice, all feeling fine. This a root session, no time for war. This a love in a rhythm like a Rasta star. Me roll one big with me brethren crew. Me pass it round like wisdom true. We reason about life, we reason about peace. We know say Babylon time must cease. Me there in a dance but me spirit fly to Zion plains where the lions lie. One draw, two draw, me eyes then close, but me vision clear like a red rose. Light it up, feed the people in a struggle. Light it up, let the Babylon juggle. We smoke, we dance, we elevate.